Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Psychotech. Friends, IGNOU has released a notification regarding the promotion of intermediate year or semester students of UG and PG programs in the June 2020 examination. So I'll just go through the notification and read out this notification to you. The Academic Council of the University in its 75th meeting wide item number 23.3 held on 18th November 2020 has approved the modalities for the promotion of the intermediate year or semester students of UG and PG programs in the June 2020 examination, and the details for which are given below. So here you can see the details. At the point number 1 it is mentioned that this provision for exemption from term and examination June 2020 for intermediate semester or year students will be applicable to only those students who have registered or re-registered in the academic session 2019-2020 as per the following details. For the session July 2019, for the UG programs first year, that is BA G, BCom G, BSc G, BSW, BTS, BA, VTM, BBA retailing, and second year BA, BCom, BSc, BSW, BTS, BBA, and for January 2020 UG programs BCA first, second, third, fourth and fifth semester. And for PG program for the session July 2019, first year of the PG programs MCom, MED, MHD, MPS, MAH, MSO, MAPC, MEC, MPA, MAN, MGPS, MARD, MSCD, FSM, MSCC, FT, MSW, MSWC, MAEDU, MADE, MAAE, MTTM, MAPY, MAVDS, MAWGS, MAGD, MATS, MAJMC. And for the session January 2020, MBA, MBA, BA&F, MSc, MSCS first and third semester, and MCA first, second, third, fourth, fifth semester. And at the point number 2 it is mentioned that this provision will not be applicable. It is highlighted to the following programs which are offered through MOU or collaboration with external agencies or approved from regulatory bodies or professional in nature, like BD, BLIS, MLIS, BHM, MHA, BSc, BCom AF, BCom CAA, BCom FCA, BBA Service Management, MCom MAFS, MCom FT, MCom BPCG, and for undergraduate programs, the first year student registered in July 2019 will be exempted from appearing in term and examination of first year in June 2020. The term and marks or grades in the first year course will be assigned on the basis of marks or grades obtained in term and examination of second year courses. Likewise, for the second year students re-registered in July 2019 admission cycle will be exempted from appearing in term and examination of second year in June 2020, and the marks will be assigned accordingly. At the third point you can see here the students of CBCS UG program who are registered in July 2019 will be exempted from appearing in TEE of first year, first and second semester in June 2020. For BCA students, the students of intermediate semester re-registered in January 2020 will be exempted from appearing in TEE of their respective intermediate semester in June 2020. For postgraduate programs, for PG program, the first year students who are registered in July 2019 will be exempted in June 2020. For MCA students, same And for MBA, B and F students, the who are registered or re-registered in January 2020 may be exempted from appearing in TE of their respective semester in June 2020. Point number 5 is the student of UG and PG programs who do not want to promoted as per the above guideline, they can appear for TE in Feb 2021 and thereafter, subject to fulfilling other eligibility conditions. So this point is highlighted, and this is important point for those students who do not want to promoted as per the above guidelines. They can appear for TE in Feb 2021, and the university may revise the guidelines from time to time depending upon the prevailing circumstances due to COVID-19 pandemic. And here are other guidelines. You can see here the point number 7, 8, 9. You can read these points, and at last here it is also mentioned that the other details regarding the exemption criteria, exam form submission of fee etc. will be intimated through a separate notification. So let us wait for those notification, and I'll get back to you again. So till then, subscribe to this channel for further updates, and you can share this information with your friends also, so that they will get benefited. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.